What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Huntie, and I had to step outside really quick and say that I was going to go get the mail so that I could film this intro really quickly while he's in the shower. So basically, a couple times before we've tried to vlog going to Hobby Lobby because I want to start getting decorations for fall. And so that's what we're going to be doing today, but I'm obviously putting a twist on it as usual. I'm going to be doing the making dirty noises all day to see his reaction. So basically, anytime I'm drinking something, eating something, or just randomly, like I'm going to start making dirty noises or like sexualize what I'm saying. I will probably have a hard time keeping a straight face because I already know it's going to be ridiculous sounding. But we're gonna go ahead and get his reaction while doing it. So we'll get back to you guys.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
I'm Huntie.
I'm Leo.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe right now and hit that post notification so you get notified every time we post.
Every time.
Right now we're in line at Starbucks. Afterwards we're gonna be going to Hobby Lobby. I feel like we've said that like 5 times when we go to record, but it always ends up us trying to go on a Sunday, and they're closed on Sunday, but we keep
a bunch of dumb nuts.
We keep making that mistake. So it is, what's today? Today's Tuesday, so we're gonna go get some ideas for some fall. I was about to say fall directions instead of decorations. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. Is it good? Alright, so we just got our drinks.
Bomb.
I have been getting the peach green tea lemonade. It's really refreshing, especially because it's so hot out all the time here.
It's humid. It just started humidity.
Yeah, it's the worst. Like 115 and humid is just not okay. So
it's never been like that.
This is refreshing. What is yours? Mango, dragon fruit, something with lemonade.
Yeah,
I think
I'm hooked on that one. I found that one like this.
I know, like randomly by accident. We've had the dragon drink, the one that has the coconut milk in it. It's good.
Yeah.
You want some? Try it. Yummy, right? It's really good.
What was that?
You know when you like drink something or eat something and it just is like like it just tastes so good. You like feel it going down.
Yeah, why'd you make that noise?
Because it was really good. Are you tired? Alright, I'm so excited. Been trying to go here for like a couple weeks, I feel like. But we finally made it to Hobby Lobby.
I got these drinks 5 minutes ago and now it's done.
He already finished his. Mine's still super full. Can't even enjoy it when you drink it that fast. It smells so good in here.
Turkey with football.
Oh, turkey! I love turkey.
What is wrong with you?
It's good. Thanksgiving.
What is good? You're not eating anything?
Turkey is good. Oh, look it.
Oh, I'm not,
look it.
I'm not looking.
No, look. For your football games. That's cute, right? You guys, look at all this fun holiday stuff. I normally come here for Christmas decorations, but I felt like since this is the first year that me and Leo have our own place together, and I've been dying for it to be colder, I just want to start decorating early. Look at it, Christmas trees.
Evening, guys. Pardon me. Sorry.
I love Christmas. Alright guys, so we got all of our stuff at Hobby Lobby. I actually got some really cute stuff for fall decorating, which I'm excited about. We're about to stop at Jack in the Box because...
Hot as a mother fudger.
Are you gonna get a milkshake or something? Or a smoothie? I really love their chocolate cake. I don't know why, but it has like this drizzle on top and it's so moist. A lot of people hate that word, moist. But I don't know, it's really good. Oh, those are good. These are the nerds from the spicy and sour video that we did. And I actually really like them. The blue ones out of all of them are the most sour. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that'll be it.
Thank you.
Maybe. Is that necessary?
I'm tired.
Maybe.
Oh my god, this looks so good. There we go. Yes. Guys, look.
Chocolate makes you break out.
Yum. That's good.
It's your freaking problem. Look at you making the big ass man.
Dang it.
Baby. What is your problem?
It's really good.
Why are you making those noises though? Huh?
Because I feel like when you have something this good, you just need to express how you feel about it.
No, you don't.
You're swerving.
Yeah, because you're freaking distracting me.
It's good.
Well, eat it silently. Please. Knock it off.
Oh, that was a big bump.
Baby. Alright guys, we're here at the store. Maybe enough. Can I try it?
I like the frosting.
Can I try it, please? Thank you.
Where are you going? You just took my cake. Daddy! That's my cake! Oh my god. He really just left me, first of all, and he took my cake and threw it in the dumpster. I think once he gets back in the car, I'm just gonna be like, oh my god, I miss you so much, Daddy. Make some stupid noises and then tell him it was a joke, I guess. Because we're just about to go home after this and that's it. So I will see you guys when he gets back in the car. Baby!
Baby.
I missed you. Oh.
Baby. Come on.
I'm just kidding, baby. It was a prank. It was a prank.
That was more annoying than the other one.
I was just making dirty noises all day to see what your reaction would be. You don't like my noises?
No.
Why?
It's annoying.
Alright guys, well I think we got him. But if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on those notifications so you know every time that we post.
Subscribe, comment, like, share. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video.
Adios.
Peace.